Hi everyone, in this video we are going to do the proof of the derivative of tangent x, which is secant square x, by using the limit definition of derivatives. So now, same like in our previous two videos, we are going to use the formula for the limit derivation of definition of derivatives to prove this. So let's start off first. So d over dx tangent x can be written as limit when delta x goes to 0, so it's tangent x plus delta x, minus tangent x over delta x. So we'll start off with this. And for this one, we can use the trigo additional formula. So let's go into details. So for tangent x plus x can be written as tangent x plus tangent delta x over 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x. So this one will be minus tangent x. So this one we have already expanded to this minus tangent x over delta x. So let's make this whole thing into one fraction. So we can write it as, again, limit x goes to 0 tangent x plus tangent delta x. So for this tangent x, we can make it to a fraction of this. We can join this together, so it's minus tangent x 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x over 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x over delta x. So as you can see, now let's further simplify the fraction. So after this, we get, again, limit delta x goes to 0. So it's tangent x plus tangent delta x minus tangent x plus tangent square x times tangent delta x over delta x one minus tangent x times tangent delta x. So let me clear this so that I have space. So from here we can write it as, so let's try this over. So tangent x and tangent x will cancel each other out. So equals to limit the x goes to 0 tangent delta x plus tangent square x times tangent delta x over delta x 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x. Okay, now we can already write. Now it's getting more simplified, so let's further simplify it. So let's factorize the common terms from the upper and the lower part. So you get tangent x 1 plus tangent square x over delta x 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x. So from here we can do the splitting for this part. So you get limit delta x goes to 0, tangent x over x times limit delta x goes to 0, 1 plus tangent square x over 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x. So now let's do this first. Let's find this one first. So the limit of goes to 0, tangent delta x over delta x can be written as, so we will explain it in terms of sine and cosine so that we can plug in our trigo limit formula for sine and cosine using this. So it's tangent x is sine delta x for cosine delta x times 1 over delta x, which is equals to limit delta x goes to 0, sine delta x over delta x times limit delta x goes to 0 over 1 over cosine x. So this is something that we have learned earlier on in our previous two videos. So therefore we get this one will give me 1 for limit x goes to 0 for sine delta x over delta x is 1 times this one. So cosine 0 will give me 1. So it's 1 times 1 equals to 1. So now let's clear this. So this will give me 1. So therefore this is 1 times limit delta x goes to 0, 1 plus tangent square x over 1 minus tangent x times tangent delta x. So let's sub in here. So for here, this one will go to 0 because tangent 0 will give me 0. So therefore this whole thing will give me 0. So therefore equals to, let me clean this up now. So therefore we can write it as 1 plus tangent 2x over 1 minus 0 equals to 1 plus tangent 2x. This one can be further simplified as secant square x. So now we have already proved it falls back to this. So therefore, let's write it here. So therefore, d over dx tangent x equals to secant square x. We have proved this using the limit definition of derivatives. So now we have already come to the end of this lesson, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay tuned to more of my videos. Thank you.